Hey guys, Mike Gonsalves here. CPO asked me to do an install and review of these Nicoko 3-inch 18-watt RGB halo lights. Let's get going. Alright, first thing right out of the box, these things are nice. Got a nice weight to them, aluminum construction. The LEDs are very nicely spaced. Nothing's really out of place. Nice bit of wiring. And here you got the heart of the system. That's the controller. It also has a nice watertight connection that screws right into place. Give me a nice watertight seal on that. It also has a remote. Let's get them installed. Installing the brackets is pretty straightforward. Simple, as long as you don't drop anything. One thing to note with these brackets I have, this didn't come with any washers. I had to add some washers here because the holes on my brackets were just a little bit too large and didn't catch the lock nut. I'm not going to tighten them down totally yet. So I figure out exactly where I want them. But good start. Real quick note: to run the wires, you do not have to take the cowl totally off. If you take off the two Torx bit bolts there, it will slide up far enough where you can run that wire down behind and underneath and then into the edge compartment. Alright, once you have the wires run, all you got to do is line up the arrows, pull them together and tighten down there. And you got a simple positive and negative connection to make. Didn't expect them to come on like that. Alright, here we go. Give these bad boys a test. There's the straight white LEDs. Not too shabby. Getting down almost to the end of my block. Lighting up pretty good. It could probably use some adjusting too, but that is not bad. They also have a flash mode. You got the strobe, slower, and then very slow. So there's that. Now let's check out what these are all about. And that's the halos. You can adjust the speed on them. As you go through the modes. Change the speed faster. Go thin. There you go. There's the wild ones. These are pretty darn cool. All the different modes. I hope this is picking this up. Pretty cool. Real quick, you can go solid colors through all the colors. Those will probably be the ones that everybody uses the most. Or a little extra white light. They will stay solid. Alright, I just want to say thanks to Chris for giving me the chance to do this for him. The Nicoko lights are pretty cool. Like those halos. I could see using the orange as running lights all the time. And the white halo actually gives kind of a close-up floodlight off to the sides of the Jeep. So thanks again, Chris, and thanks to Nicoko, and we'll catch you guys on the trails. Out.
Hey, Mike, thanks a lot for doing that for us. I really appreciate you taking the time to do the install and get it on video. And I know that's not as easy as it sounds. Trust me, I do this a lot. So you did a great job. I just wanted to point out how simple this is. I really didn't understand how these went together until Mike did the video, but this is a great option for somebody that doesn't want to have to mess with switch wiring and relays and all of that stuff. Basically, you just put it to the battery and you use the remote control as the switch, so you don't have to wire anything else. That's pretty cool for somebody who is just looking for some simple install without having to figure out where to put switches. Also, those 4 center LEDs do light up bright, as you saw in the very beginning of the video. Then we focused on the halos, but I didn't want you to forget that it's a LED bright white light plus those halos. So thanks for watching, and thanks, Mike, and I'll catch you on the next one.